If you have a template stored on disk, you can open it and make changes to it just as you do other documents. This tip explains in detail how to open a template file. Word allows you to save not only document files, but also template files. These templates are used to define how a document and the Word interface should look. Once you save a template, you may want to later make changes in it. Well, you can't simply double-click on the template file within Windows. That would do nothing but create a brand new blank document based on the template. If you want to open a template file so that you can make changes in the template itself, you go ahead and start by clicking on the File tab of the ribbon, and then you're going to click on Open. Now that gives you a back office area here, but you're not interested in any of this information that's here. What you want to do is you want to click on the Browse option right down here, and that displays the Open dialog box. The next thing that you want to do is down in the right-hand corner, there's a drop-down list, and it says All Word Documents. You want to use that drop-down list to specify what you want to look for. You can look for either all Word templates, or Word templates, or Word macro-enabled templates right down here. The difference between these last two, the Word templates and the Word macro-enabled templates, is that macro-enabled means that you can store macros in those templates. These are the templates right here that don't have macros in them. Generally what I do is I choose all Word templates, and that'll show you within the Open dialog box only Word templates. Now you can search through your system using the controls in this dialog box to locate the template that you want to open. I just happen to have a template on my desktop, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Desktop. And there's the template right there. It says right at the side that it's a Microsoft Word template. All I have to do is click on that to select it, and now I can click on Open, and that template is opened within Word. I can tell that the template is opened by looking at the title bar up at the top of the program window. It shows the name of my template right at the top. If I had been unsuccessful in opening it, if I had instead created a new document based on that template, it would say something up here like Document 1 or Document 2 instead of the name of my template. At this point, I can go ahead and make any changes in the template that I want, just as I would make changes in any other document. And then when I save those changes, they're available the next time that I create a document that's based upon that template. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, do me a favor and share the video with someone who you think might benefit. Thanks for spending a few moments with me today.